Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 17 and the chapter name is Animals Around Us. So in last videos we have learned about the plants around us, but in this chapter we will see the animals around us. And it's a short chapter and it will finish in one class only, and in next class, means in lecture number 2, I will give you the objective types so that you can complete your all homeworks in your fair copy. So please, and it's again one information and kindly it's a request to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carrom, video games. In fact, you can read your book also. You can complete your holiday homework, because that holiday homework marks it will add in your term 1 exam, and whatever the homework you are receiving on online classes in English as well as SST. So please complete these all homework in your fair copy, and it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. And if till chapter 16 you have not completed your homework, then kindly please complete it, because once the school will open, if I will ask the homework to you, you have to show me the all homework, and it should be in good handwriting. And because I have all the records, so please do it if you don't till if you have not done, because you have a lots of time, so use the time. And again this chapter will finish chapter 17, then again I will give on the video only, and the homework question answer that I will upload next class. But all the homeworks, it's a request that please complete it in your copies. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that the germs will out from your bodies. And please eat the healthy foods, and because we all know that it's a very serious disease situations, COVID-19. Because of this virus we can die also, and it is very bad situations nowadays. So it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the family members. And once the online class will over, you can go to the book chapter and you can read your chapter once again. And it's a short chapter, and again the homework I will upload so that you can write down the homework. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So take out the page number 70. I am reading the book, you also read with me. So the animals around us means the different types of animals is around us that we will see in this chapter. Like plants, some animals are also found around us. So like the plants are also found around us, like that animal is also there that we can find around us, like the rat, dog, lizard. So these all are what it is inside our home only, or maybe outside, so we can find it's around us. So do you know that we share our world with animals too? So can you know that we can share our worlds with animals also, like the plant, we are share our world with animals also, with plants also, because they makes the look beautiful and looks the creature looks pretty. So that's why we are sharing these with animals and plants also. So that's why we are sharing our world with animals and plants. So you can see the page number 15. There are different types of animals are there, like rat, mostly it is found in our home only. Butterfly, it is like a beautiful creature. Then mosquito, yeah, it's always found in our house. Squirrel, then dog. These all are the animals, and it is different types of animals. So there are different kinds of animals. So around us, there are different types of animals are in the world. Animals such as tiger, lion, wolf and giraffe live in forest. So animals like the tiger, these animals such as tiger, lion, wolf, giraffe live in forest. So these all the forests they lived in, these all the animals they lived in the forest. They can't live with us and it's very dangerous, that's why they lived in the forest. So they are called wild animals. So if anybody asks that what is wild animals, then you will say that animals who live in forests. Animals, just please keep in your mind that what is wild animals. Then animals who live in forests, they are called wild animals. Or you can say like that also, like animals such as tiger, lion, wolf and giraffe live in forests. They are called wild animals. So like examples are there, lots of examples like lion, hippopotamus, giraffe, rhinoceros, cheetah and fox. They all are the animals and they lived in forests. So they are called wild animals. So the animals who lived in the forest, that animal are called wild animals. Again I am repeating that what is wild animal? Then the animals who lived in forest, they are called wild animals. So examples are like that: lion, LION, lion; hippopotamus, HIPPOPOTAMUS, hippopotamus. Next, giraffe, GIRAFFE, giraffe. Next is rhinoceros, RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. Next is cheetah, CHEETAH, cheetah. And the fox, FOX, fox. In fact, the lions, LION, lion. Then tiger are also there, TIGA, tiger. So these all is what, it's a very harmful animals, that's why we can't, it's not lived around us, it's lived in the jungle. And these all are called the wild animals. There are lots of wild animals are there which is found around in the jungle, and the name is not there, but I think that about these you have learned in UKG class and you have not got any problem. So next page is page number 71. We keep some animals such as cat, dog, parrot, rabbit, fish as our friends at home. So we can keep some animals at home also, like our friend, like such as dog, cat, parrot, rabbit and fish. They all lived with us as of friends in our home. We just give food to them, we just help to bath them, we just playing with them like a friend. So that animal, and they are called pet animals. So what is pet animals? Then the animals such as, or you can write like that, animals such as cat, dog, parrot, rabbit, fish as our friends at home. So we can take these all animals with us like a friend. We treat them like a friend, and we kept these all animals at home, and they are not dangerous for us also. So they are called what? They are called pet animals. We just take care of them like a friend. We just feed them always. We can just play with them. We can go and walk with them. So that animals are called pet animals. Now have a pet? So do you have a pet at home, means pet animals at home? If yes, then write yes. If no, then write no, no. So here is blank is there, you can do in book only. So do you have pet? Here is he is just asking the question that do you have or not. Then if you don't, then write no, no. And if you have, then write yes. The next line that I will explain in the next video is part 2, and in fact I will give you the exercise also so that you can write down that all in copies. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.